First of all, very very warm good morning, Sad. And I wanted to know that where are you from in India? From which part you are
From
connecting
Bangalore.
to me? Bangalore. Oh, sounds great, yeah. So what you are doing in Bangalore, Sad? Like for study purpose, you're staying there, or for job purpose?
I did both. I was here for study and I'm working now.
Working now. Okay, study also and working also. Part-time job that you are doing over there with your
అది
studies?
కాదు dude. నేను యూజువల్లీ ఇక్కడే చదివాను.
Acha, it's your native place.
Yes, my native place.
But you're speaking in Telugu now. I don't think that it's your native place at all.
తెలుగు వస్తుంది dude.
Oh my god.
నేర్చుకున్నాను. తెలుగు
From
రాదా
where?
నీకు?
From where you learn? No, I don't know Telugu at all.
What's your name?
My name is Meda. It's already showing in the interface of this application, right?
Like where are you from?
I am from Hyderabad, Telangana.
But నీకు తెలుగు తెలీదా?
Really? I don't know Telugu.
So which language you speak in home?
I speak Hindi and English.
घर में कौन सी लैंग्वेज बात करती हो dude? घर पर.
Both. Combination of both. I said na. English and Hindi both.
तुम्हारे पापा इंग्लिश और तुम्हारी मम्मा हिंदी.
No, it's not like that. Actually, my native place is Bihar, but we are staying in Hyderabad. Okay.
तो तुम्हें हिंदी आती है?
Yes, I know Hindi. We used to speak Maithili actually.
तो मैथली भी बात करो, मजा आएगी मैथली.
You are unable to pronounce that language name. You are saying that you will be able to speak. It's very
अरे
difficult.
मैथली, संताली.
No, it's
कड़ोली,
not
ये सब बातें.
Santali. It's Maithili. Okay, whatever. Just leave it aside. Now I have few of the questions that I wanted to ask about this application. If you are agreeing, so I will go with it.
Let's go ahead.
Yeah. So from how many months or how many years that you're using this application, and what's your feedback about it? Please share with me. Yeah.
Most probably 2-3 months.
2-3 months. 2 or 3. Anyone, just choose.
See, exactly, I have used this app for 23 hours or 24 hours. I don't remember exactly, but I have spent 24 hours.
24
Overall.
hours. Okay, like
Overall till now.
you said like 2-3 months or 2-3 days.
Actually, no, I installed it, but I uninstalled it.
Okay.
So overall, I spent 24 hours.
Acha. So whenever you're like you're feeling empty or alone, so during that time you're connecting and again like this uninstalling it, right?
Yeah, it's similar like stuff.
Okay. So may I know like what kind of job that you're doing in Bangalore?
I have my own firm. I'm working in my own firm with my group. Like we co-founded 3 members of my friends, and we are doing like engineering consultancy.
How yeah, really great. I really love that our youngsters they switch themselves to something like own creativity or like like what I can call startup kind of thing.
Yeah, it's big startup kind of stuff.
Okay. So now tell me that this platform is really helpful for the beginners to learn the things easily or simply from this free version.
Maybe it gonna help people, the beginners, if they connect with the good people.
What do you mean by good people?
See,
Like bad people is also there?
I see every platform and everywhere you can get all the different people. You can't say that every time you're gonna connect with the people who are wanted to have a conversation or wanted to have to improve the communication. There are someone here. See, there are some people here who are just
I got it.
trying to
Yours.
flirt with the girls, and some girls are here trying to flirt with the boys. So it's like it happens. It's normal.
Okay, so like this platform is working as a what I can call like dating application type, right? Sometimes.
Not only this platform, you can go on every platform, even Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, everywhere.
Yeah.
This stuff is a normal.
Yeah, in your statement, very like what I can call points are there.
Yeah, obviously, it's normal, right? It's like in college also we're gonna do same stuff in working profession. So in every field it's common. It's like quite natural.
Okay. So how many
So
languages you know, Sad? Sad.
Hindi, Urdu, Arabic, English, Kannada, Telugu.
Oh my God. Hindi, English, Kannada, Telugu, Urdu. Five
Arabic.
languages. Arabic, six languages that you know. How you learn this? Please
It's
try to share the secret with us.
अरे कुछ सीक्रेट नहीं है dude. I say learn अरे like five languages I learned because I was outside from my house from second standard in my
Okay.
hostel.
Hmm.
When I was second standard, my father has been joining me in an hostel.
Right.
From that time, I had a different friends from Karnataka, from Kannada, from Telugu. Urdu is my mother tongue. Hindi is normal, quite. I can familiar with Hindi and Urdu.
Okay.
English I learned from professional and in studies.
Okay. Yeah.
And Arabic I studied and I learned Arabic.
Okay. Now I don't know that I don't know why, but I'm getting a lot of interest to know a lot of things related to this language from you. Like so, somewhere you surrounded with this what I can call different people, right? And from there you learn these all languages. So may I know, like, is it necessary for going with reading, writing kind of thing? Like listening more and more, like these activities is
Yeah,
necessary
it's
for
like
speaking purpose?
it's like it depends. It depends all about on interest how you learn a language. Like कहते हैं ना शिद्दत से जैसे तुम्हारी तमन्ना होती है सीखने के लिए.
अच्छा.
So if you're like good at it, then it's like you wanna learn from reading, from writing, from listening. It's all about how you wanna take it.
Okay.
Interest to learn the language.
Right. Now I have another question. That imagines that one person is there. He is a illiterate person, okay, and he is in an environment like English or Hindi or whatever, like Telugu or Urdu. So, is it possible for him to learn the language while staying in that environment for 1 year? Is he able to learn 3 to 4 languages?
Yes, obviously it's a education. It's a learning language does not need an education.
Right.
कुछ सीखने के लिए लिटरेट होना इलिटरेट होना जरूरत नहीं है. बस सीखने का जज्बा होना चाहिए.
हाँ, और माहौल मिलना चाहिए, है ना?
माहौल जैसे तुम बता रही हो ना, माहौल मिल ही जाएगा.
राइट.
आजकल माहौल की कमी नहीं है यार, कहीं पे मिल जाता है. हिंदी बात करने वाले मिल जाते हैं, उर्दू बात करने वाले मिलते हैं, कन्नड़ा बात करने वाले मिल ही जाते हैं.
Yeah, but nowadays, like English, it's what I can call. They are feeling that it's too difficult, but they have interest to learn it. But I don't know that why they are not taking or comparing English also like same like Hindi, Kannada, and Telugu kind of thing. They are thinking that it's a kind of
इंग्लिश मुझे भी इंटरेस्ट
study
नहीं है
like
बात
this.
करने में. I do have a lot of whenever in company also in friends I always try to have a conversation in different language. I just say them if you are getting if you know other languages you can have it in that way. I don't want to have a conversation in English.
Why it's so? Like only for professional purpose you use, and rest of the time you continue with your other languages, right?
No, and in professional also I use other languages.
Oh my god. Then why you learn the English, Sad?
Why you learn? Well, what is that? Why I learned? It's like language, just language.
No, you're saying that you don't have interest and you don't show interest to even deal with the professional things also in English. You prefer to go with the other languages.
Yeah,
So
I
that's
prefer
what.
to go with other languages if the opposite person having comfortable with having different me in different language, then
Mm-hmm.
I say okay fine, this and I'm gonna have it in Hindi or Urdu or English whatever you want.
Okay, so you are giving option, right? In which language they are comfortable, according to that you are
Yeah,
doing the
but I
things.
feel them too. I tell them English not only a language, it's just a
Yeah.
language. It's not like तुम इंग्लिश नहीं आएगी तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं. तुम
हाँ.
इंग्लिश नहीं आएगी ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. तुम्हारे पास स्किल्स है ना,
वो
you
काफी
wanna
है.
respect it.
Absolutely. So how many people they are working under you guys? Like your startup?
11.
11 persons. Oh my god. What's your age, sir?
26.
26, and you're giving employment to 11 members.
11 members.
Great. I'm thinking that number should be increased.
Yeah, it depends. When
Okay.
we get a lot of work, we're gonna hire some people for short term.
Okay, right it. Right it. So a lot of conversation that I done with you. But you didn't ask me anything, sir.
Yeah, like where are you from? Like basically you're from, as you said, you are from Bihar.
Yeah, I'm from Bihar, but I'm staying in Hyderabad.
Like for what?
With my family, I'm still staying. My father is working here, and our studies, like we are pursuing that from Hyderabad.
अरे किस लिए मतलब तुम्हारे फादर यहाँ पे कैसे?
You know very well about people why they migrate from Bihar or from other states to different countries or different state, only for the one
अरे
purpose
मुझे
to
पता है.
good earning.
अरे
That's it.
वही बता रहा हूँ ना.
So in which field
तो
he
कितने
is
साल हो गए?
working?
You born and brought up?
I think nearly 18 years. From 18 years we are staying in Hyderabad.
I was in Hyderabad yesterday itself, like 2 days back.
Okay.
Gachibowli.
Gachibowli. I'm very far from there.
Chandrayanagunta.
I don't know about that. I know Gachibowli. Okay. So like,
No problem.
do you have any interest in foreign countries, sir?
I have interest in a lot of countries.
Like, which one you wanted to give the first preference to visit or?
I have been gone many times.
Okay, you
I
already.
have been to France, Germany, and Turkey.
Which country you love most? Or if you get a chance to settle completely over there, so you will be
Luxembourg.
prefer for it. What?
Luxembourg.
I think I am listening first time.
It's in Europe.
Acha, it's in Europe.
It's the richest country in the world.
Oh, I have to do little research about it because I literally don't know about that.
ऐसी चीजें बहुत है कि इंसान को पता ही नहीं.
Right. I'm not studious kind of person, and that's the reason I don't know much more things. But I have interest to learn.
पता है?
Huh?
Algeria, Chad, Nigeria, Congo
Nigeria,
Republic,
I know, but
Angola,
Angola
Namibia,
also I know. Namibia, I don't know.
Botswana,
No,
Mauritania,
I don't know.
Madagascar,
First time I'm listening these all names.
Peru,
Okay. Peru, I know.
Venezuela, Colombia, Brazil,
Colombia,
Bolivia,
Brazil, yes,
Argentina,
I know.
Chile.
I have few of the students from Brazil.
Okay.
Yeah.
Uzbekistan, Turkmenistan,
Uzbekistan also. Okay, so now I need one permission from your side.
अरे पूछो भाई, इतना भी फॉर्मल हो के क्या ही पूछ रही हो?
No. This permission is going to be make you public. So that's the reason I have to ask your consent about it. If you will agree,
Alright,
so we'll upload this video on YouTube. Like your voice is audible, the things that I asked about the what I can call this application. So
what should I do?
nothing. You should say yes if you're okay with what I can call uploading your voice. So it's fine. I'll upload. Otherwise, no. So that consent I need.
For what?
Like upload for speaking purpose. Actually, I'm running a channel. Okay, like related to English conversation, where people who have interest to learn this language, so they are connecting, and even they are taking the private sessions also from me. Okay, and I'm helping them. Like I already told you, from all over the world, nearly 20 to 25 students they are connected with me, and still like connecting. Okay, so a lot of persons they show interest for free conversation also, like free applications. So I just going with the free apps, then I get to know about open talk. Okay, so I thought that okay, let's try it, and like let's take the feedback of the co-learners who are already connecting that application on regular basis. they will able to share the actual things. Okay, so that's the reason I started doing the conversation with you, and I really felt
Okay.
good because if same like you persons if connect to the beginners or advanced speakers or intermediate level speakers, the persons who are very serious and dedicated, like few of the reasons they don't get time to like to do the practice, they get time in night or in evening time, whatever comfortable time they can come here, they can do the practice. So I wanted to test that is it like genuine or not, like fake people they are coming here like that. So for that practice and test purpose I'm here, and I really felt that it's really good because I connected with you and I feel very comfortable while having the conversation. I think that girls can also freely connect and do the practice. So if you'll agree, so I'll share this video on YouTube. It will helpful for them.
Okay.
And yeah.
Okay, go ahead.
Go
If
ahead.
something is happening good, then
Yeah.
go ahead.
Why what? Sad? Why I should
Yeah, like if something is अगर कुछ अच्छा हो रहा है, it's like uh, like something is happening good from us, then okay,
we should
fine.
support it,
Nothing
right?
wrong in sharing. Yeah, nothing wrong in
Okay.
sharing.
Okay, thank you so much, Raj, for it. And if you want, so you can also visit my channel. My channel name is English with Medha.
English with Medha, how many subscribers you have?
2000, not more than that.
Oh my God! I'm gonna wish you all the best. That in coming days you will be in increase to 2 million and
Oh.
your channel will have a lot of people.
Yeah, thank you so much for it. I used to come live also on regular basis, at least half an hour. So there, like people, they ask like for free application that Medha please try to suggest us. I shared about
Okay,
them.
let me check your channel.
Yeah, you can, you can check that. By the way, Sar, do you know any other applications also, like especially for girls?
There are a lot of applications are there. OpenTalk, SpeakPal.
People,
SpeakPal.
people.
Speak.
Acha, speak,
SpeakPal.
speak pal. Oh, I think it's new for me. I should write it somewhere.
What is
Speak
it
pal.
channel there?
English with Medha.
English with Medha. AMEDHA.
Yeah, absolutely right. Speak pal, right?
English with Medha. Okay, 2.42 subscribers.
Yeah, it's nearly 2000.
Hi, I'm Medha. Warm welcome to your channel, English with Medha channel, because here you cover everything in English and my English. Okay, fine. That's great, yeah.
Okay, Sat. So we'll again connect. And thank you so much for your consent that you said yes that we can upload this video. So for it.
Yeah, thank you, and thank you for all the stuff, and I wish you all the best for you and your channel.
Thank you so much, and even a good wishes from my side also from you to you and to your startup that you started. You guys do wondering in that and try to extend it. Okay,
Yeah, definitely. Thank you,
the broader level. Yeah. Thank you so much, Sal. I really felt a lot of comfortable with you while doing the conversation, and nearly I think 18 minutes that we done.
Yeah. It's like quite good to have a conversation with you.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, most welcome. Bye. Take care.
Okay.
Okay. So guys, how you felt? I wanted to share the things why I done this conversation because I already shared it with Saad. That I wanted to explain you guys that how what I can call we have to do the conversation. Is it safe or not? Like that all things that I done. Okay, in the conversation. But like as Saad said to us that there are 3 to 4 applications and like many applications are there. So flirting is moving everywhere. Girls they do try to do with boys and boys they try to do with girls, right? This thing's happening everywhere mostly. But if you want to learn something that you wanted to do, for it you have to be focused on your particular task, right? So for what purpose you are there in that application, just try to focus on that all the time. And if you're feeling that someone is doing something, like flirting kind of thing, so just try to disconnect that person, connect to the other person. It's not like that every person is like that particular, what I can call, character only. Few of them, they are good also. If you are feeling that they are good, so we can smoothly go with the conversation, okay, about the things. That's what I shared with you all. So the platform name is Open Talk. Okay, the platform name is Open Talk, and it's really very useful. The paid versions is also available, and even the free versions is also available. So you can go with the free version. It's fine because good persons, they are also connecting. But as I told you that you have to do the filter in the persons. Okay, if you found that he or she is good, then you can continue with speaking with that particular person, or else and disconnect. Got it? This thing that you have to do. That all thing only I wanted to share with you. And in last again, so guys, if you want to connect with me, so for what you guys are waiting, please try to go and check the description box. Through there, try to connect with me on WhatsApp channel link. I already pinned in description box that link. Connect from me there. Okay, I'll explain you the things, each and everything in WhatsApp channel. Okay. So till then, bye bye. Take care, guys. Try to learn the things with full of enjoyment and musty all the time. Don't try to take pressure kind of thing, because English is only a language. Sad is also shared, right? It's only a language. So why people are worrying about it? They'll easily able to learn. But the need is that only environment. For the self practice also, it's enough. Right? And what other thing that Sad said? That it's not too important that अगर वो हमें नहीं आता तो हम कुछ नहीं कर सकते, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है, right? Yeah guys, so we'll again connect tomorrow with something new. So try to connect with me again tomorrow and watch the things and apply the things in your daily conversation. Okay, that things only you all have to do for learning English. So again today also I'm going to come live by 8:30 to 10 p.m. in night. Okay, so please try to connect, and any queries that you have, so you can ask there, or you can leave that like comment in the comment section also. I'll try to answer it. So bye bye, take care guys.